Tesla, one of Elon Musk's most successful companies nowadays, has scored high technological advancements in the production of solar panels, electric cars, and more. With a market cap of around $380 billion, Tesla is remarkably growing, and the massive demand for its electric cars among the public is rising day by day. Building on his vision to revolutionize the transportation industry, Tesla CEO Elon Musk likes to build things bigger and better. And where else to do that in Texas, the Lone Star State? To keep up with orders, Musk built the 5th automotive manufacturing facility near Austin, which is under construction since July 2020. But why is there a need for another Gigafactory? And what secrets are hidden inside Tesla's new Texas Gigafactory? Well, we have all covered that in this video. But before we dive in, I would want you to hit that red subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you never miss out on any of our latest tech episodes. Now, let's not waste another second and move on with the video. Welcome to Tesla's Gigafactory 5, Gigafactory Texas or Giga Texas, a $1 billion, 2,500 acre of land, 5 million square foot manufacturing plant that will be the production home to Tesla Cybertruck, the Tesla Class 8 semi-batteries, Model 3, and the Model Y. Tesla, being a multi-billion-dollar company and a true manufacturing empire, has seen an unprecedented expansion in recent years. It's also supported by a heavily traded stock ticker, constant innovation, and endless media coverage. If we talk about the construction of the factory, we can say that it's being in a hustle. We can expect it to be completed anytime soon. As changing the tides in the sea of gasoline vehicles, Tesla's demand has recently increased so much that the company is unable to meet the demand of the market. To cope with this problem and fulfill the needs of the customers, Tesla needs more factories in different regions and areas for the pursuance of effective sales of its product. In one of the interviews about the growth of Tesla, CEO Elon Musk has said that demand for new Tesla is the best we have seen. As the demand grows, companies need more space for production purposes. The launch of Tesla's new Gigafactory in Texas will revolutionize the market, and it has been expected that the next coming years will be immensely eventful for Tesla. So, when the time came to create a new manufacturing facility for the middle and eastern United States, Tesla has a lot to consider. The company ultimately settled upon a location just outside Austin, Texas. 2020 was a tough year across Earth and humanity. However, notwithstanding the global crisis that gripped the planet, it was an incredible year for Tesla. For the EV giant 2020, it was a transformational year, and the company outperformed many of the trends seen in other industries, increasing its revenue, value, and cash generation. Tesla has already set up a Gigafactory in Nevada, New York, and Shanghai, with Berlin slated for completion in 2021. But in the mid-2020, Tesla bought 2,500 acres of land for around $27 million to construct an EV manufacturing plant just 15 minutes from downtown Austin, Texas. It aims to have this mammoth project up and run by the end of 2021, and progress is moving along at an amusing pace. As of the 18th and 19th of January, concrete foundations for Giga high-press die casting machines were poured off the northwest corner of the facility. Giga press components started to arrive on site in crates and shipping containers on the 21st of the same month. One day after the base frame of the first Giga press was unboxed and craned into position, the factory is under construction 24 hours a day. According to reports, workers are spotted rolling metal tubes and unloading frame materials on the construction site. Additionally, it'll handle presidential production approximately 28 times more than the factory in Nevada. This latter has currently a production capacity of 35 gigawatt hours, while Giga Texas has a capacity of 1 terawatt. Edging out other USA competitor cities such as Tulsa and Dallas, construction of the new giant Tesla plant in Texas began in July 2020 after Tesla's Q2 2020 earnings call, where it was announced that Texas had been selected as its location for Gigafactory 5. Since that time, the project construction has occurred at a lightning pace. The first phase of construction of the Giga Texas plant is scheduled to be completed in May 2021, following which production is expected to begin. Giga Texas was initially planned for the Tesla Cybertruck, which will launch in 2021. Soon after, Tesla has extended its intended use to produce a Tesla Semi and 2 electric cars, the Model 3 and the Model Y. Giga Texas is not complete without robots that have been arriving at the factory. Talking about the production of electric cars inside the factory, there will be a general assembly line that has been placed over the robots, and they will assemble components coming from other gigafactories around the globe. Elon Musk has stated that once it is complete, Texas will be an ecological paradise with birds in the trees, butterflies, and fish in the stream. He added that it will be open to the public with a boardwalk and trails for hiking and biking as well. If you are interested in working at the Giga Texas with engineering, production, or whatever the case may be, you can take this opportunity and apply. Who knows, maybe you will get hired. It is anticipated that Giga Texas will create more than 5,000 job opportunities in the local Austin economy over the next 4 years. Such great news, right? So what makes Giga Texas so special? Outside the Giga Nevada, which manufactures lithium-ion batteries and EV components, Giga Texas is going to be the first Tesla EV manufacturing plant built from scratch in the United States of America. Currently, all Tesla vehicles built and sold in the US are manufactured in Fremont, California. And moving some production load to the new plant will give the Bay Area factory much more flexibility. From electric motors to lithium-ion battery packs at Powerwall and PowerPack energy storage products, nearly everything is created all the time. Though the battery cells used by Tesla are technically manufactured by Panasonic, Musk has streamlined that delivery process by simply putting the Panasonic plant inside his own. Moving around the Gigafactory floor are automated forklifts, exchanging parts, batteries, and more. These are framed by automated production lines, assembling components, and moving thousands of pounds with zero effort. Each production line is modular, interchangeable, and truly independent. All things considered, it's not hard to see how Gigafactory 5 is already living up to the state motto of everything's bigger in Texas. It's like how Musk describes and calls the machines that built the machines. Giga Texas also represents a tectonic shift in the technology industry that for decades has been clustered around California Silicon Valley. More and more, we're seeing Austin come up as a place for tech companies who are relocating to take advantage of the lower cost of living and fewer government regulations. Unlike California, Oracle and HP are away from the top tech giants but have since relocated to Texas. Elon Musk has also relocated to Austin, Texas. The government and the public there have given a warm welcome to Musk and Tesla for their bright future and development. It has also approved them a tax cut of $50 million in approvals. Although he said that his reason for relocating was to close the SpaceX Starship testing site, which makes sense. You can bet how the world will be watching closely to see what happens with this facility in 2021 and onwards. Some speculations are the Giga Texas will be integrated by Tesla's secret technology called Roadrunners, which is used to decrease battery production cost by 100 per kilowatt hour. Tesla has produced 180,000 cars and delivered 184,000 cars in the first quarter of 2021, while Giga Texas has set up a new target of 10 million cars per year once it's operational. Tesla has been talking about wrapping up the production rate. However, the company still needs to work hard to achieve that. So, what do you think Elon Musk has an eye on next? And will Tesla be able to deal properly with its customers' demands with the Giga Texas factory? Let us know in your opinion in the comment section down below. Now that we've come to the end of this video, I hope you find it informative. If you like it and want to see more interesting videos, subscribe to the channel. Hit the like button and turn on notifications to stay updated. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I hope to see you once more.